I know guys, I'm not posting so many videos. Actually, I was helping my parents. I was decorating my house and we got new paint in our house. But don't worry, I'm gonna posting some new videos now. But I have a surprise for you. The new member of the family. Yay! Ta-da! My cute buddy fishes. They're a little bit excited and a little bit of curious. They're in number 4, this one name is W. He's a beautiful koi, and this one is W. This one. And this one is Bessie. It's also a koi, but it has a eye black and a eye like humans. But two black, these fishes are really scared of me. They always get scared like they are like meerkats, and my dad named them, and you're gonna laugh at those names, guys. Seriously, it's from Punjabi movies. Seriously, guys, you get ready for the laugh. Its name is Atro and Chatro. So, guys, wait a second. I got an idea. Why we don't make a Lego fish? So, guys, I will see you there. So guys, now I'm going to show you how to make a Lego fish. So let's start. First we're going to make this piece. It's a 4x4 plate and 2 of these places. I don't know these names, so comment down below if you know it. And get 2 modified bricks and just put it right there. You can use any type of color because I just want it colorful. Because my fishes are also colorful. And now we are gonna get a 3x3 brick and keep this aside. And get a sliding piece, place it on the 3x3 plate, and get again the piece and put it right there. There's the fin. Then get this piece that you throw it away, and there we go. We are done with that part. But we are not done all of the fishy. Because I know guys, this looks absolutely ridiculous fish. And now guys, we are going to put just this much things. And wait a second guys. I think I need another. You will get a 3x3 brick. It's much better. And just place it there. And after that, you are going to get again the slanting peaks like this. And just put it like this. And put some bricks there. Like this. Okay guys, when you're done with these bricks, then get a modified brick. Put any crazy type of eye. I just want it to be like a normal fish. That's why I'm going to put these types of. And just put it on all 2 sides. I'm just gonna put like crazy eyes. One is up and one is down. And put 1 brick there. I know guys, this still doesn't look like a fish. And then we are gonna get a 4x4 plate. Place it right there. And get 2 of these pieces. Jumper plates. I'm just gonna put it right. Click it inside there. It can make the click sound or not. And you are gonna get this piece, which is really long, guys. I don't know why they made it so long. And after that, you are gonna get this. So guys, after this, you are gonna place some dots on the modified bricks. And it's gonna take some time, like this. And after that, put it on the both sides. It's kind of hard. After that guys, you are gonna put the fins, and there we go. Your fish is done. So guys, that was the video how to make a fish. Hope you guys enjoyed, and this was the last look of the fish. It's looking amazing. And now comment down below if you like it